This is Keshav Khera. In this video I'm going to show you the Oppo's new device Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. Finally, company has sent us this device, and in this video I'm going to unbox this device for you, and I'll also tell you the key features of the Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. Also, we'll take a look at how the phone exactly look like, because this is a special edition from Oppo's end. So without further ado, let's unbox this device and see what the company is offering you in this big box. So let me open this device for you and I'll show you what is our box content. The packaging is very impressive. You'll surely like the packaging. It's not like a regular smartphone, it's different from that. You can see there's a lid on top of the box. It's a sleeve, we can say. There is a separation between this big box. Let's just check out how the box opens. Okay, from here so from this side we can open the box. काफी interesting box है. And see, this is the new style of packaging. The Lamborghini Edition comes with this box, and once you open the box you see there's a card on top of it, and there's a Lamborghini logo and Oppo logo as well. It looks very impressive. We can keep this aside, and once you remove that card you can see that there's a smartphone lying on top of it, and it is Oppo Lamborghini Edition, the phone which you were eagerly waiting to see in this unboxing. And there's interesting pattern at the back panel which resembles the Lamborghini car, and there's also a Lamborghini logo at the bottom of the device. So the device looks exactly like the other Oppo Find X2 Pro except for the back panel, which is very interesting. But anyway, we'll talk about the device look and the specification later. Right now we'll just have a look at the unboxing and the stuff that company is offering you in this box. So let me keep this smartphone over here and I'll open it from this side. Okay, so this is a big sleeve in which there's something kept inside. There's nothing else over here. Let me just check once. Okay, so there's nothing else. It was the only box that I got inside that sleeve, and once I open it I get to see one SIM ejector tool. You get a safety guide. You get Oppo Enco free true wireless headphones warranty card, and some documents are over here, and there's one invitation card as well. Let me just check what exactly it is. Okay, this is not a invitation card. It is international warranty travel worry free. Okay, so you get international travel warranty with this device as well. So that's it for the box, the small box. Now let me open the big box. So in this Lamborghini Edition you get Oppo Enco device as well. The one I already unboxed it and I did an overview of this device as well. You can see it on my YouTube channel. You can go and check out Oppo Enco truly wireless headphones. I will keep this over here, and there's also a car charger along with this, and here's a cover that company is offering you that is also Lamborghini Edition style. And this is a normal card. Here you get a Type-C charger for Oppo Enco device. You also get Type-C cable for charging your smartphone. Power adapter. Let me just check what is the wattage of this power adapter. That it supports 65 watt charging speed. That you already know, because we have also done unboxing of Find X2 Pro a few months back. That was a regular edition of Oppo Find X2 Pro, and this is the Lamborghini edition of Find X2 Pro. So these are the content that you get inside the Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini edition. Also, one thing I did not show you, and that is the ear tips that you'll get inside the box. It is for your Oppo Enco TWS. Company is giving you extra ear tips for your device. So now let's take a look at the Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. You can see the design is exactly like the previous Oppo Find X2 Pro. This is because it's just a Lamborghini Edition smartphone with a new pattern and not a new smartphone. But you can have a look at the back panel. It is very impressive. You can see The back panel resembles a lot like a front of the car. You can see lines and patterns on the back panel, and there's also a Lamborghini logo on the bottom of the phone. There's Oppo logo over here, and the camera placement is vertical like the previous Oppo Find X2 Pro. The looks is very impressive. I'm sure when you have a look at the phone, you will definitely want to buy it, because if you talk about the other car edition smartphones that other companies have launched, in comparison to those, this looks much premium and resembles a lot like the design of the car. The phone has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back of it. If we talk about the port placement, there's a power button over here, and the construction is of metal. On the top of it, you see two antenna bands along with a mic. On the left of the phone, you get to see a volume rocker key, and on the bottom you see a SIM tray, a mic, Type-C port, and speaker grill. Overall, the phone looks is very impressive. If we have a look on the theme of the UI, you can see the theme is also Lamborghini edition. Also, it is a dark theme, so it doesn't hamper your eyes if you're using the smartphone in very low light or dark condition. That's great. The company has decided to make a dark theme. It won't affect your eyes, I'm sure, because these days anyway most of the people are preferring the dark theme over the colored and white one. You can also switch to dark theme in this smartphone, and I've already discussed all these features about the Oppo Find X2 Pro in my previous video of Oppo Find X2 Pro first impression. You can see the detailed first impression of the Oppo Find X2 Pro by clicking on the link given in the description box. But anyway, I'll quickly just go through the key specifications of Oppo Find X2 Pro once, just for your reference. So now, talking about the specification, let me just open the about section of Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini edition. I'll just quickly run through the specifications. So you get 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus resolution display on the smartphone, which has Gorilla Glass 6 protection on top of it. You also get 120Hz screen refresh rate. The display is made up of OLED, and it is curved from both the sides. If you talk about the internals of the specification, this phone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset. You get 12 GB of RAM. It also has 512 GB of internal storage. It comes with 4260 mAh battery, and it has 65 watt charging speed, which I already mentioned in the beginning of the video. If we talk about the camera, it has got 3 cameras at the back panel. One is 48 megapixel, another is also 48 megapixel, the third one is 13 megapixel, and if you talk about the front camera, you get 32 megapixel selfie shooter on this device. So overall, it's a complete package smartphone with premium specification that you would definitely like. Also, the look would definitely attract you to buy this smartphone. But anyway, what do you think of this device? Please mention in the comment box. Also, if you want to watch the full first impression of this device, I've given the link in the description box. Both the editions are same in terms of specification except for the look. But anyway, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also share this video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Until then, this is Keshav Khera signing off.